Hi everybody, I'm Tanya Bliss and this is the VivaCast. Today we're talking product. So we've all heard that it's important to start your day with a good, nutritious foundation. But honestly, who has the time? Here at Viva, we believe that if you can give us a minute, we can provide you with a quick, nutritionally balanced and focused start to your day. It all starts with a beautiful plant protein, and here to talk about it is Jake.
Hi, my name is Jake Smith and I'm the Director of Product Marketing at Viva. I'm grateful to be a part of the VivaCast today, and we have a lot of exciting things happening at Viva. One of the main reasons people are subscribing monthly and enjoying healthier lives is because of our fantastic products. And today, I get the chance to talk to you a little bit about why our organic plant-based nutrition shake is awesome and provides unmatched nutrition and value at only $2.86 a day. I want to start by showing you this chart. First thing to understand is that not all plant-sourced shakes are the same. When it comes to plant nutrition and protein, there can be a drastic difference in how you feel when you take something. Competitors will state that their product comes from vegetable or plant sources. But these cheap big box products that sell from 66 cents to $1 per serving provide a very uncomfortable and even painful stomach and digestive experience. I know from personal experience that in taking only one serving of any of these products, you'll be returning it because of the pain and discomfort that comes from consuming it. Read the reviews online. Each of the competitive products on the chart are at the top of the list of most returned products at these big box stores because of the discomfort people are feeling when taking them. Only Viva's plant-based shake keeps you comfortably full and is gentle on the stomach. Our product thickens, it doesn't foam or create air bubbles, but rather it thickens naturally to help keep you full longer. Viva's yellow pea protein has also been clinically tested to provide 6 hours of sustained energy and help you curb cravings throughout the day. And we're the only ones who use a patented process called X-starch to remove sugars and starches from the yellow peas, which actually eliminates the gas and the bloating. Well, Viva's plant-based shake is the only product with an FDA-approved heart-healthy soluble fiber. This soluble fiber helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by reducing cholesterol because of its lipid and fat flushing abilities. Competitive products only use insoluble fiber, like acacia gum and others, which do not provide fat-removing benefits. The difference is dramatic because the soluble fiber Viva Plant-Based uses collects fat and flushes it out of your body, helping you lose and keep the weight off. Viva's plant-based nutrient-rich shake is the only product of its kind with omega-3 essential fatty acids to provide the equivalent of eating 2 servings of fish per day. These omega-3 fatty acids are essential to keep you thin. Additionally, it's loaded with 78 trace minerals for energy and proper cell function. No other product on the market uses a complete protein isolate with all 20 essential, conditional, and non-essential amino acids, and all of the branched chain amino acids to help keep your muscles lean and toned. Viva's plant-based nutrition also gives you the right balance of electrolytes to keep your cells hydrated to help you lose weight. Unlike our competitors' bulky containers, you'll love the convenient on-the-go packets. Viva contains no sugar. It's non-GMO, soy-free, gluten-free, corn-free, dairy-free, and contains no artificial flavors, colors, or sweeteners. After a good night's sleep, this is the right product to help break your fast each morning. For only $2.86 per day, choose Viva to help you accomplish your healthy goals. You can sign up on a monthly subscription, add your favorite kick to your choice of either chocolate, which is my personal favorite, or vanilla. Go to viva.com and enter your promo code today. If you don't have a promo code, we'll help you get one.
Thanks, Jake. And that's our VivaCast for this time. Next time we talk product, we're going to be talking about our anti-inflammatory genius, Amazon Superfruits. We'll see you then.